If you feel like your singing sounds a little bit robotic and you want it to feel like it lives a little bit more, then that might be because you are singing it too perfectly. So today we're gonna look at a tool that's gonna help you make your singing sound less perfect and therefore more real and more alive. Hey singers, it's Lara from VoxTape Studios, an online studio where we help transform shy and aspiring singers into confident and authentic artists. Now, why on earth would anybody not want to sing perfectly, right? Well, perfect can sometimes get a little bit boring, right? Like humans make mistakes, humans are imperfect, and that's what we relate to. So if everything is too perfect, people will stop paying attention to your singing because it gets boring, right? And by the way, what I mean by singing songs less perfectly is not to like stop singing the right notes and all of a sudden like sing the wrong notes at the wrong time. No, not that. But what I do mean is we're just gonna use a bunch of contemporary voice techniques to help us, again, make it a little bit less perfect. So instead of perfectly attacking every single note, we're gonna scoop into a note here and there. And that's actually what today's exercise is about, to help you bring more imperfections into your singing. Scooping. The song I chose for today's exercise to help you work on your scoops is Don't Speak by No Doubt. Because in that song, they're saying, don't tell me 'cause it hurts, ba 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 ba. That is scooping all over the place, right? And we all love it. So let's have a look at how the exercise goes. So first we're gonna do it on NG to help you not get too wide with your vowels, but just you're really sliding and scooping. And then on ah, the same thing. Don't speak, no. The don't speak is attacked, right? Don't speak, and then no, you're dropping off of that note. Oh man, it hurts, no. Oh man, it hurts, right? It's all scoopy, scoopy, scoopy. And then no, you're scooping into the note and out of the note as well. So it's very scoopy, slidey. Now, before we actually do the exercise, here's one thing that I do want to mention. I'm not saying that you should never attack any notes and that you should only ever scoop if you want to sing contemporary songs. Please don't do that, okay? It's gonna get way too scoopy, way too slurry if you're just doing scoops, okay? So it's all about finding a balance between attacking a note, stepping two notes, that would be stepping, or scooping, okay? So it's all about finding a good balance between all of them. If you scoop too much, it gets too slurry. If you attack too much, it gets too robotic. So find a good balance. But for this exercise that we're doing right now, we want to scoop as much as possible, except on the don't speak, no, the don't speak, those are attacked. Everything else is slurry, slidey, scoopy. All right, let's do the exercise. Don't speak, no. Oh man, it hurts, no. 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 Are you still scooping? There should be no cracks, nothing, just nice and scoopy. Good. Oh man, it hurts, no. Don't speak, no. Adding hand movements like this can really help as well, okay? To really stretch out those notes. Very good. All right, how did that feel? Were you able to really scoop and slide on those notes and not like a but rather There should be no jumps or no cracks or nothing. We want to scoop and slide as much as we can. If you're not quite there yet, that is totally okay. Keep practicing. You're gonna get there. Add hand movements like I did. The oh man, it hurts. Ba, ba, ba. That can really help to, feel that flowiness and translate the voice into that flowy scoopiness, okay? All these pop song exercises that I make for you are here to help you create options so that at the end of the day, you can pick how you want to sing something, right? Do you want to attack the notes or do you want to scoop up or down to the notes? Do you want to belt to the notes or do you want to sing it in a breathy head voice? It is really all about having options so that at the end of the day, you can make an artistic choice how you want to express yourself in a way that feels real and authentic to you. If you want to learn more about the artistic side of singing and that self-expression, then I highly recommend that you check out my free mini course for aspiring artists. The link to the mini course is in the description below. Check out these videos next for some more vocal exercises, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you did indeed enjoy this exercise. Thank you so much for singing with me, and I'll see you next time.